Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make this out of this world chicken with cranberries and rosemary. This is going to make your house smell absolutely incredible for this holiday season. And the best part of all, it is extremely quick and easy to make. So let's get started.
Try to catch me howling at the moon.
I'm starting off this recipe with 2 cups of fresh cranberries. I'm splashing them with some white wine vinegar, and I'm going to be adding some brown sugar. Go ahead and give it a mix, and that vinegar is going to marinate the cranberries and really soften up the skin. Place it to the side while we chop up a whole chicken. Anytime you're at the store, be sure to just buy the whole chicken and cut it yourself, because not only is it cheaper, but it has all that beautiful skin and the bone, which is really going to lock in that moisture as this chicken bakes. We're going to be seasoning this with some fresh rosemary. I'm taking off all that woody part and giving it a good chop, and some fresh crushed garlic. You're gonna splash this with some more white wine vinegar and some olive oil and a little squeeze of lemon juice, giving this a really nice Mediterranean marinade. Sprinkle it with some paprika for a nice color and some salt and pepper. Give everything a good mix and put your fingers and get that seasoning into the skin so that it gets all over the inside of the meat as well. Now lastly, you're gonna add 1 chopped white onion and a few chopped up celery stalks, and if you're able to, get this marinating overnight, but if you're in a hurry, give it at least 15 minutes to let all the flavors mingle. Here I have a super hot skillet with some oil. I'm gonna be browning the skin of the chicken, really locking up that moisture. Once it's golden brown, about 1 to 2 minutes per side, add it back to your casserole dish with all of those marinated onion and celery pieces, as well as those cranberries that we placed to the side. This is gonna be baked in the oven at 425. Be sure to add about a half a cup of either some water or some chicken stock to really seal in those juices, and steam the chicken while it's baking. After about 45 minutes, your chicken is ready. The fact that we marinated this chicken, we browned the skin to lock in all those juices, and we baked it in a little bit of stock is gonna make this the most juiciest, out of this world chicken you have ever tried in your life. Everybody is gonna go crazy, so you must make this as one of your holiday dinner centerpieces. And if you guys enjoyed this recipe, be sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Leave your comments down below and stay tuned for more quick and easy recipes, all of them always with a unique twist.